Have 500 rupee. Where do I start investing? Let me show you where your 500 rupee can go. 1. Mutual fund SIP. Some of the best mutual funds in India let you begin with just 100 rupees per month. These are called SIP, Systematic Investment Plans. You can start building wealth slowly, safely. 2. Digital gold. If you want to own gold without buying jewelry, you can invest as little as 1 rupee. It's pure, insured, and easy to redeem when needed. 3. Nifty 50 ETF, Exchange Traded Fund. Want to own the top 50 companies of India, like TCS, Infosys, HDFC, but only have 500 rupees? You can do that through ETFs. Think of it as a basket of stocks, managed for you, with lower risk and low cost. Why this 500 rupees matters? This isn't about the money. It's about the habit, the decision to say, I will not wait until I have more, I will begin now, because that's what successful investors do. 500 rupees today, it become 5,000 rupees. And 5,000 rupees can become 50,000 rupees, slowly, quietly, without noise. Now I will show you how much 500 rupees can turn out in 15/20ths, 25 years and more. Time is the essence, and let's see the magic of time and compounding. The power of 500 rupees per month invested at 12% annual return. 10 years total invested 60,000 rupees and maturity value 113,478 rupees. 15 years total invested 90,000 rupees and maturity value 252,888 rupees. 20 years total invested 120,000 rupees and maturity value 499,574 rupees. 25 years total invested 150,000 rupees and maturity value 948,818 rupees. Try it yourself. Download SIP Calculator from the Play Store or any finance app. Enter 500 as your monthly investment. Enter 12% as your return rate. And just see for yourself. With the help of SIP Calculator, you can calculate various financial goals. Click on SIP Planner and plan your financial goal. If your financial goal is 20/50 lakhs or 1 crore, the calculator will show you how much you need to invest to reach your financial goal. In our next videos, I'll take you deeper: how to start SIP, how to pick your first fund, how to open a free account, and how to protect your money from scams and hype. Comment below if any of you want to start with 500 right away. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on personal finance.